Have a Nissan truck or SUV? Whether it's headed to the job site, campground, the daily grind, or the ultimate adventure, Z1 Off-Road has you covered for all your truck and SUV needs. We're committed to providing the best selection of stock parts for your Nissan, be it quality maintenance and repair, performance mods, or the ultimate solutions to lift, lower, tow, or travel. Speaking of performance, we have you covered with the best selection of intake, exhaust, suspension, and brake parts with the know-how to take your truck to the next level. We offer performance ECU calibration both in-house on one of our dynos and via email. Our team provides real-world testing and feedback on the products we offer, so you don't have to experiment with your truck or wallet. In addition to our logistics strengths, our engineering team provides solutions for better performance and utility like the Z1 Speed Cleats. Now truck owners with the Utilitrack system can better stow and manage cargo, offering the same strength rating as the large OEM cleats, but with improved load centering and smooth anchor points. Now you'll have the ability to store the cleats easily and securely inside the truck when not in use, without giving up valuable interior space. Find these and everything else for your Nissan at z1offroad.com.